Good morning to one and all. I would like to give a short note with a brief information on DBMS. So what is DBMS? DBMS defines a database management system. As the name suggests, database management system consists two parts, database and management system. So coming to database, what is database is? Database defines that and well organized collection of data that are related in a meaningful way, which is accessed by different users but stored only once. And to know brief, we have to start from the data, so which is a basic building block of a database management system. So what is data? Data is a raw set of facts and figures which is associated with an individual's entity or an event. And coming to record, what is record is here the record is defined as a collection of data. So in data it doesn't convey any meaning, but in a record it conveys some meaning. And one example, 1 Anusha 19. What is 1 Anusha 19? But in record, rule number is 1, name is Anusha, and age is 19. So here coming to table. What is table is here a collection of records. So collection of records is called a table. And finally we have to discuss about a database. What is database is here. So database is defined as a collection of table that should be in a related way. So this is a database. Now coming to management system. So what is management system is here. Management system is a set of rules and a procedure, which help us to create, organize and manipulate the database, and it also help us to add, delete and modify the data items in database. Management system either be in a manual or computerized. So this is completed to management system. So now coming to what are the advantages and disadvantages of the DBMS is here. So first we have to discuss about the advantages. What is the advantages here? Minimized redundancy. First, what is redundancy? Redundancy is a problem storage the same data in a one or more places, so it leads a storage space to us. So minimized redundancy is here. It completely erases the redundancy. It completely erases the duplication in the DBMS. So another advantage is here elimination of inconsistency. Inconsistency is storage the same data in a different format. Example, in one table the name is B Anusha, in another table the name is Anusha B, in some more tables Anu B. So it leads a inconsistency. In DBMS, centralize the overall data. If once modify the name, it should control in all the other tables, and changes once made are reflected to all the tables. And sharing data in paper based keeping, we can't share the data, but in DBMS, computerized DBMS, we can share the data to many users. And if we have a connection with the internet, it is possible only the connection of internet only. And data security, we have a lot of security on DBMS. And data integrity is here we can easily gather a data with a most accurate and consistency. So in DBMS, data should be clear, and it has a full security, and provide a backup and recovery and flexibility of the system. It means we can if we want to modify, if we want to delete the data from a database, we can easily delete because it has a flexibility moment. And another advantage is here, standards can be enforced. Where there is a good, there is a bad also. So coming to disadvantages here, high cost. Why we have spend a high cost is here. So DBMS need a computer, so we have to spend a lot of money on that. So this is the threat. And complexity of backup and recovery. So what is the first advantages of this? Backup and recovery is used when power failures are occur, but it is very complexity. It is very difficult to backup and recovery. So security threats, if anyone mishandle this, it is very problem to us, and if we give up privileges, permissions to users, it is okay, but if anyone mishandle this, it is very harm to us. So this is a just short note with a brief explanation on DBMS, and I would like to advise you, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.